Hey guys, welcome back. Just doing a quick video today on testing fuel injectors. So I don't have an engine in this car. This is like my Cavalier with a 3.1 turbo that I blew up if you haven't seen the previous videos. And I've got the old bar stool sitting in here holding up a block of wood with my old 3.1 fuel rail hooked up to my old fuel lines. And you can see I got some still fuel pressure in there because I've already done this test just to make sure everything was going to work. And we're going to show you quickly how to do a fuel injector test using my Megasquirt 2 system and on Tunerstudio. So first I'll show you how to set it up on Tunerstudio. Then I'm going to come back. I'll set up the camera so you guys can actually see the fuel firing into these little cups I've got marked here. Just go over to the computer and we'll take a look at that. All right, so you can see we already got the test mode kind of up on the screen here. So, but to get to that, you're gonna go on the Tunerstudio up at the top corner here, up in here, this one right here. You're gonna click on that. Well, of course, you can't get in there now. But anyways, click on that. You'll see test mode in there for fuel injection and spark. So and that's gonna bring you to this this screen here. You got output right here, output test mode, injector spark. This here, I don't have to turn on my fuel pump and stuff from here. I don't have it hooked up that way. I have it hooked up to the stock setup on this car just because it was already done. I didn't want to change anything I didn't need to be changing. So I'm looking down here at the injector testing. In this case, so I want injector channel test. I want these ones here. So because I want both banks to fire, I've got batch fire, but two batches. I don't have sequential on this one. This is going to be 10 millisecond pulse. So on this car, that would not be wide open, but it would be not idling either. Idling would probably be about 2 milliseconds. I'm going to change this down to about 20, just to give you an idea here. Now it is going to fire, and then you're going to hit start, and you can hear it firing there. But because I don't have the fuel pump running, it's only going to put up a little bit of fuel until the pressure drops. So I'll show you what it looks like when you actually have the pump running, and then and how it fires the fuel out and splatters everywhere. 1 second, I'll just got to set up the camera. All right, we're going to jump the fuel pump wire and get the fuel pump running. And if you're ever going to do this, just for safety's sake, always have a fire extinguisher handy. I got one sitting over here beside me. You can probably don't know if you see it on the video or not. But we'll get the pump running here. You hear the pump going. She's running about just over 50 psi on that now. And we're gonna hit the start switch here. That's all there is to it. Turn off the fuel pump. And you see the fuel in there. You saw it probably firing all over the place, splattering all over the place. And again, just want to make sure all these new injectors, these are the 42-pound Green Giant injectors that I got for this project. I was using 36-pound Ford 2.3 turbo injectors before. So I think it was kind of getting close to maxing those ones out. I don't know if that had anything to do with blowing up cylinder number 5, or sorry, piston number 5 on the 3.1 liter turbo, but I want to be safe on this one and make sure I got enough injector to make at least 350, 400 horse. Hope you enjoy it, guys. That's just a quick testing video for using the Megasquirt to test out your fuel injectors. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.